Create relevant social media content for your target audience. Bearing in mind the demographic and behavior of your target audience. When creating a high-quality content for your post, it is crucial always to keep your target audience demographic and behavior in mind. It is essential to keep this in mind since these will be the people who will like your posts and share them with other people, which will increase the organic reach on your social media profiles. The idea is that you generate posts related to your business and the industry where you operate. If you can do this, you will get your followers to comment and share your content. Your content has the power to change things. The content that you post on social media can have the power to transfer your brand into a household name for your followers. It can have the power to transfer your followers into fans and this into your future clients. You achieve this by having a reliable and robust strategy for creating content for your social media. You must be clear that it is not simply about appearing on all social networks and updating your audience from time to time when you have the time. If you want to stand out on social media, you must identify your specific goals. In order to achieve this, you must create high-quality content and distribute it on the appropriate social media profiles. Only after you have done this, you can measure your results and make adjustments to your strategy to succeed over time. Answering user questions and generating emotions. Content marketing strategies are designed to generate organic traffic. They achieve this by generating interest among the users who consume the content. It is done through many forms of digital content. The generated content must be relevant to achieve the objective. Relevant means that it can answer the user's question and that it managed to generate emotion in them. Yes! Many marketers write their content just thinking about connecting their website or profile with search engines like Google. You must bear in mind that Google is simply a bridge that users use with your site or profile, so once this user arrives at that site, you must provide high-quality content that they enjoy. What is the most important thing when creating relevant content? Anyone can create content and post it on their site or profiles, but not everyone can create a link with different users. Creating a link in this case means that your content is something worth consuming. It is about creating interest among your group of people who in the future could be your clients. So the important thing about creating relevant content is making consumers feel that your message is worth listening to. The brands that achieve this among a group of consumers are the brands that end up being successful. Make your brand trustworthy and you will gain authority in your environment. Relevant content has a very close relationship with authority. If you can make your brand show relevant content to a group of consumers continuously, you will turn your brand into a trustworthy brand. The brands that manage to create that trust in consumers are the brands that become an authority in the industry where they operate. It is known that brands with authority are the brands to manage to sell much more. In this way, then, you can see how the relevant content that you generate and that you post on your social media profiles has the power to turn your small business into a great business that meets and solves the needs of a group of consumers. After watching this video, you should have a better understanding about this topic. If you still have any question, please ask.
Ask, please.
Use the comment section. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies that will help you grow your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way, you will receive alert in your YouTube account and in your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email free internet marketing information on a regular basis, which will help you grow your online business faster. You don't have to pay anything for it. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.